Hi friends, welcome to our channel PETZZZ TAMIZHA. In this video, we will see about without our knowledge, we done some mistake to our birds. Because of this, our birds get affected very well. So in this video, we will see about this topic only. What is the major mistake we done to our birds and how to correct it? Mistake number 1. Disturbing at night time. In every evening, our birds are ready to sleep. Some people keep the cage inside the house. At the night time, unfortunately we switch on the light, surely our birds are disturbing. Other than that, sometimes we walk through the cage at night time. Suddenly the birds get afraid and fly continuously inside the cage. We done this activity regularly, our birds are surely affected. So we try to not disturb our birds in night time. Mistake number 2 is pot fixing. When we buy a new Budgies, don't fix the pot immediately. Wait for some days. Until they paired and started breeding, don't fix the pot. If you fix it very early, the birds are often likely to stay inside the pot. That's why I say that. If your birds are paired and started breeding, then you fix the pot. Third mistake is not quarantine your new birds. When we buy a new bird, we should quarantine a bird at least for 1 week because new birds may have some disease. It will spread to our whole birds. For example, eye problems. When one birds have eye problems, they spread the disease for another bird also. So avoid new Budgies to mingle our old Budgies. Recent times, our friends are facing this kind of problem. Fourth mistake is not quarantine the infected birds. Some birds' accents are not normal. They look like puffy and often they are standing in one place. So these are the symptoms. Our birds are wanted to get quarantined. Most of the disease are spread from the infected bird's poop. So always clean your cage and quarantine the infected birds. Okay friends, in this video we could see about what are the major mistakes we done to our birds and how to correct it. So guys, I think you all are clear my point, and also if you have any doubts and ideas related to that, please comment us. Finally, please like, share and subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.